everybody. As you know that sir has given us this opportunity and sir has created a group also that you go somewhere else and you talk about that how much casting the vote is important because it's our right and of course we should cast the vote because casting the vote is very important that decide that whom we are electing and it's our right to choose a good person who works for us and that is most important because with the help of our one vote we can create a beautiful environment in political area and we can elect a good leader also and if we elect a good leader then of course the person will work for our society for our country for our nation and that is most important thing because if we are selecting someone then I trust our responsibility that whom we are selecting. And if we are selecting good person, then it's their responsibility also that if we are selecting them, then they should care about the citizen of our country, the citizen of our state, the citizen of our nation. They should care. So at first, it's our right, and it's time of election also. Election is going on, and they are demanding, they are means advertising everywhere. So we should think, and at first we should think that we are educated means in the favor of someone blindly we should not support anyone because if we support blindly someone then what will happen after casting our vote we cannot do anything we can't demand anything with them so at first we should think that who is educated who is better for our state for our country whom we should means select because if one time we will select uneducated person bad person then what will happen we have to face problem means about 5 years that is very long distance that is very long time for means to face problem so we should think that if we are casting whom we are casting and why we are casting at first we should think then we should cast the vote we have come at the station. Beside the station, there is a place, ticket counter, where means there we are standing, we are means discussing, and this is also important because what happens that suddenly any type of problem situation come in front of us, then we face problem while speaking somewhere else in public domain. So we come here for means what for removing our hesitation for bringing confidence inside of us. That is most important thing. So Gulumar, you tell that really like this class is important for bringing confidence inside of us.
Of course, why not? First of all, I want to tell YouTube member that everyone is happy here. Maybe you all are happy. And today we have got beautiful chance to talk about politics because you know very well politics is going on. Our election is going on, and we have to cast the vote. No matter we are with whom we are casting vote, but we have to cast. In anyhow, we have to cast. Don't think it is so scorching sunlight. No matter its term comes only after 5 years. So it is our right. We have to cast the vote.
Really this type of class is important for bringing confidence inside of us because generally we used to speak in our classroom in our institution but what happens suddenly we means get chance to speak somewhere else in public domain there we get a problem there we hesitate there
Yeah,
we
yeah, yeah.
get puzzle also
Yeah.
so bringing confidence removing our hesitation like this class is important.
Brother, at first I want to say that not to say about confidence, even we will be aware about politics through this type of class because we never get this type of class in always. So we should think, we should discuss, we should involve with this type of class. Of course, this type of activity will be helpful for us. And the matter of confidence is that when we get chance to, you know, talk with someone, to talk with in public domain, then we start to puzzle. But I mean, day by day, we start to get this type of opportunity. Of course, our hesitation will remove. And the matter of politics, the matter of election is going on. Then, of course, we should be aware regarding politics, regarding election, and we should cast the vote. We are citizens of our country. We have to responsibility with whom we have to cast the vote. The leader who is, useful for our country. So we should cast the vote in anyhow, no matter that we are facing so hard. But anyhow, we have to cast, and of course, confidence will come.
Okay, next question goes to Piyush Kumar. That really, Piyush Kumar, do you realize that we should cast the vote? We should not means ruin our vote. We should not spoil our vote because our one vote can make can choose a good leader for our nation, for our state, and that person will bring lots of improvement, lots of means progress in our state, in our country. Do you realize that really our one vote is very important?
Okay. Before saying anything else, first of all, thank you, Aryan Bhai,
Yeah.
for giving me the golden chance to say or to convey my idea in front of my means members. So you said that means casting the vote is how much important for us.
Yeah.
So my dear friend, casting the vote is too much important. So being a youth, it's our duty and it's our accountability and responsibility also.